everyone. In this video, we will get introduced to a new measurement called as surface area. Basically, we use this measurement for the three-dimensional shapes or solid shape as we referred them in earlier standards. We know that solid shapes are or can be made up from the nets, and nets are actually two-dimensional figures. So if I am making, let's say, a cube using a paper net drawn on a paper, then what is the area of the paper I need to make a cube represents the surface area of that solid shape. Or surface area is also sum of the area of all the faces of the solid shape. So in this video, we will derive formula for surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Let's start with surface area of cube. We know cube is made up of 6 congruent squares. So let me draw a cube. Now here we see that this is a front face. I'll show it with 1. Then there is a back face. If you see here, so I'll show that as 2. Then there is a side face, 3 right side and 4 on the left side, and the bottom face 5 and the top face 6. So there are 6 faces of a cube and each face is a square. So we know what is the area of square. That is equal to side into side, or also shown as S square. And we have 6 congruent squares, and that means surface area of the cube would be 6 times S square. Now let's find surface area of a cuboid. So we have a cuboid, and as we know, cuboid has a rectangle in front, back, top, bottom, side, left and right. So let's give names to these dimensions. So this is my length, this would be my breadth, and this is the height. And because these are rectangle, we know if this is height, this also would be height. If this is breadth, this also would be breadth. If this is length, this also is length. Even this is length. Even this behind is length. This is breadth. So everywhere we can see this is your height and this is your height. So these became the measurements of this cuboid. And let's now find the area of each surface. So area of this front and back rectangle will be same. Front and back rectangle would be same. They would be congruent. And that is equal to length into this is the breadth of this figure. If you look at this figure, length and this is the breadth, so L into H. Area of side rectangle, that is B into H. These are the two dimensions of this rectangle, B and H. So it would be B into H. And area of top and bottom rectangle. if you see top L and B, so L into B. Now if we add all these areas, we will get surface area of cuboid, and therefore is equal to 2 times this. So because it is front and back, top, bottom, two sides, left, right, so 2 times L into B plus 2 times B into H plus 2 times L into H. If we take 2 common, then it would be in bracket L into B is LB, 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. That is the surface area of cuboid. Let's now derive formula for surface area of a cylinder. So we have a cylinder here, and if we see, the cylinder is actually made up of 2 circles at the base and the top, and they are joined by a curved surface. So area of the cylinder would be 2 times area of this circle, because this circle and this circle are congruent. So 2 times the area of circle plus this surface area or the area of this curved surface. Now if we make a cut, let's say this is a paper cylinder, and if we make a cut here, then it turns out that this is actually a rectangle. And if you remember the net of a cylinder, it consisted of a rectangle and 2 circles. So this is actually a rectangle. The curved surface gets converted into a rectangle, and that rectangle, let's draw that first. The length of the rectangle is the circumference of this circle. This is the length of the rectangle, and the breadth of the rectangle is the height of the cylinder. So if I assume the radius is R, then length of the rectangle would be 2 pi R. And if height is H, then the breadth of the rectangle is H. And so now we can easily find the surface area of cylinder. 2 times area of the circle plus area of rectangle. So that is equal to 2 times. What is the area of circle? Area of circle is pi R square plus area of rectangle is length into breadth, so 2 pi R into H. So if you see here, it is 2 pi R square plus 2 pi R H. 2 pi R is common between them. So if we take that out, 2 pi R we take out, then in bracket from here remains is R plus from this term remains H. So 2 pi R in bracket R plus H is the surface area of a cylinder which has both top and base. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.